Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Naqla truck request platform app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Naqla is a digital truck, request and freight management platform designed to connect shippers with reliable transport partners. It allows users to book trucks, track shipments in real time, and manage delivery operations directly from the app. It's available on both iOS and Android and supports various vehicle types for different cargo needs. The app's main feature is its truck request system. Users can input shipment details, compare available options, and book a truck instantly. Naqla also provides real-time GPS tracking, driver communication, digital invoices, and shipment status updates. The platform aims to simplify logistics for businesses and individuals through faster booking, transparent pricing, and centralized order management. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its convenient booking process, responsive tracking, and time-saving workflow. The ability to monitor shipments from pickup to delivery offers transparency and reduces uncertainty. Businesses also value the platform's organized documentation and ease of coordinating with drivers. However, there are some drawbacks. Truck availability may fluctuate depending on region and demand. Service quality can vary between different transport partners. Some users also note occasional delays in updates or slower responses during peak hours. In addition, the platform relies heavily on accurate location data and stable internet connectivity, which can affect tracking in low-signal areas. In summary, the Naqla app may be worth using if you want fast truck booking, real-time shipment tracking, and an organized digital logistics experience. However, if you prefer fixed transport vendors or operate in areas with limited connectivity, it might not be the perfect solution for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.